Hi, I'm Mrs. Hoffmeister. Today I want to ask you a question. And the question is, have you ever thought about your thoughts? I know, that seems like a confusing question. Let me rephrase it. Have you ever thought about what you're thinking? Sometimes when we feel a certain way or act a certain way, it's because there's a thought in our mind, and that thought makes us feel or act a certain way. And sometimes those thoughts are our enemies. Let's try a math problem today. That's a pretty tough one. And I want to see if I can get through it without getting frustrated. And if I get frustrated, I'm going to stop and think about my thinking. Ready? Let's go. Okay. Tamarian builds a fence in his yard with his dad. The fence is 375 m around a rectangular garden. The shorter side is 75 5/10 m long. What is the length of the longer side? All right, I have to read that again because it's so much information. And if I just read it once, I really don't know what happened at all. So let me try in bits and pieces. Tamarian builds a fence in his yard with his dad. Stop. Okay, now I've never built a fence, but I would imagine that you'd bring like wood and hammer and nails. I don't know. But I sort of picture a boy and his dad, and they're walking off and they're carrying like long pieces of wood and other things that you would use to build a fence. Okay, I've got that much. I know that. Let's keep going. The fence is 375 m. Oh, meters. That's a unit of measurement I know we've talked about. It's like a meter stick. It's like a long stick, meters, around a rectangular garden. So they've got a garden with like carrots and green beans and peppers, and it's rectangular, and the distance around it is 375 meters. Okay, so we got a garden. We're going to build a fence. The fence is going to go around the garden. It is 375 meters. Okay, so far I'm good. Let's keep going. The shorter side of what? The shorter side. Oh, of the garden. Shorter side. Oh, because it's a rectangle. Is 75 5/10, what's that, in meters. I wonder if I just draw a rectangle, that will help me. The shorter side. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so building a fence around the rectangle garden, inside it all kinds of plants. Shorter side. That's right, because I know the attributes of a rectangle. There's two shorter, equal, parallel sides, and then two longer, equal, parallel sides. Okay, all right. Then let's finish this up. Let's find out what we're solving for. What is the length of the longer side? Oh. So they want to know this. What's the length of the longer side? Well, I don't know. I only have this. I don't know how to... You didn't give me enough information. They didn't give me enough information. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I want to stop. I don't want to do this anymore. It's stupid. I don't like it. Dumb. Okay. But when I act like this, if I think about my thinking, let me do some thinking about my thinking. When I feel like I can't do it, and I feel like quitting, and I feel like this is ridiculous and a waste of my time, if I really think about my thinking, this is in my head. I feel like I'm done. Like my head is spinning and my heart is racing, and I don't think that I am able to do this. I think I'm done. And I think that's when I think about my thinking right now. But you know what? That's not true. It's not true. I'm not done. I'm not done. Just because I'm confused and having a hard time, and I may even get the answer wrong, that doesn't mean dumb. You know what that means? That means human. And when you're confused and your head is spinning and you're having a hard time doing whatever, it doesn't mean you're dumb. It means you're human. And humans grow by being challenged with hard things. And so right now, I'm going to replace that thought. I'm not dumb. I'm being challenged. I am growing. And that's a much better thought. Now, let me see if I can get this problem. I'm not dumb. I'm human and growing. Let's look. All right, here we go. I only have this number, right? Oh, here's another number. 370. What is 375? Around. Wasn't there this word around? 300 is all the way around. Okay. Now, let me think. 370. Wait a minute. What do I know? I know that rectangles have equal sides, and that means that if this side is 75 and 5/10, then guess what? This side is 75 and 5/10. Okay, see? I'm human and growing, and so are you. So now I have two sides, but I still don't know how to get the other sides. All right, let me try thinking about it like this. Here's the whole. Here's a part. Here's another part. Here's my side here. Here's my side here. Now I got all this left. And all this left represents the long sides. Oh, I think I just got it. I think I just figured it out, because this side will be the same as this side. Okay, you grab a marker or a pen or pencil or something and a piece of paper. I'm going to do the same thing. Now remember, if you get stuck, you're not dumb. You're human and growing. I'm going to say the same thing to myself. Ready? You write, I'll write. If you need to pause it, that's okay. We're going to check back here in just a second. Ready? Go. I'm going to put that, take away. I'm not dumb. I'm human and growing. I can do this. Okay. This and this is. Okay, wait, ready? Okay, here's what I've got. I've got this shorter side, and that's gonna make 151 together. Then whole, take away the part, is this. And then, because I need it to be equal, I'm gonna divide by 2. Am I done? Am I done? No, because I have to give it a label. It's meters. The long side is 112 meters. Whew. Now, listen to me. If you did not get the correct answer, that doesn't mean you're dumb. It means you are challenged and growing, and you are human. Because being confused and growing and being challenged is all part of being human. Thank you so much for thinking with me. The next time that I'm acting a certain way, I'm going to stop. I'm going to think about what I'm thinking. Make sure that your thoughts are true and that you're not telling yourself something that's going to hurt you in the long run. Take care of yourself. I will see you next time.